Hi dear friends, welcome to Unacademy. Unacademy present before you our brand new YouTube channel, What, Why and How. In this channel, we will be addressing three fundamental questions relating to a fact. What, why and how. These short videos will help you in getting a better understanding about a fact or topic. So let's start our session for today. Today we are discussing about the Sun Temple of Konark. Konark or Konark Sun Temple is dedicated to the Hindu sun god Surya and conceived as a giant stone chariot with 12 wheels. It is the most famous of the few sun temples built in India. It is located about 35 kilometers northeast of the city of Puri on the coastlines in the state of Odisha, earlier Orissa. It was built in the year 1250 AD by the king Narasimhadev of Ganga dynasty. The temple in its present state was declared as UNESCO's World Heritage Site in the year 1984 84, although many portions of the temple is now in ruin. What remain of the temple complex continue to draw not only tourists but also Hindu pilgrims. Konark stands as a classic example of Hindu temple architecture, completed with a colossal structure, the sculptures and artwork on myriad themes. The word Konark is a combination of two Sanskrit words, Kona and Ark. It thus implies that the main deity was the sun god and the temple was built in an angular format. The temple follows the Kalinga or Orissa style of architecture, which is the subset of the Nagara style of Hindu temple architecture. Orissa style is believed to showcase the Nagara style in all its purity. Nagara was among the three styles of Hindu temple architecture in India and prevailed in northern India, while in south the Dravidian style predominated, and in central and eastern India dominated by Vesara style. The style here follows the architecture of the Lingaraj temple built around 1100 CE in the present day city of Bhubaneswar, the capital of Orissa, and known locally as Kagra style. The three kinds of stones were used in the temple construction: chlorite, laterite, and condylite. Condylite was used throughout the monuments, while chlorite was restricted to door frames and to a few sculptures, while laterite was used in the foundation, the core of the platform, and in the staircase. None of these stones was available near the site, and so materials was bought long distance. The stone blocks were lifted possibly by the means of a pulley or a wooden wheel or rollers and then set into place. The fitting and finishing was done so smoothly that the joint could not be seen. The Konark temple, built entirely in stone, is in the form of a colossal chariot with 12 gigantic wheels, lavishly ornamented, drawn, drawn by seven richly carpenterized galloping horses. The wheels have been carved against the sides of the chariot. The conception of this temple in the form of a chariot has mainly to do with the Hindu belief regarding Surya, that he is usually found on a chariot pulled by seven horses. Thus, the depiction of chariot pulled by seven horses became part of any artistic creation related to the sun god in India. The 12 pairs of wheels represents the 12 months of the year. Konark temple, built entirely in stone, is in the form of a colossal chariot with 12 pairs of ornamented wheels drawn by richly carpenterized galloping horses. Wheels have been carved against the side of the chariot. The conception of the temple is in the form of chariot. Thus, the depiction of the chariot invariably become part of artistic creation. The exact reason for building of a temple by Narasimhadev is not known. Historians have summarized that the king did so either to express his gratitude for a wish fulfillment or to commemorate a conquest. Also, he could have been done it simply to show his devotion to Surya, but not without adding in his own way view of life, as seen from a king's perspective. This is proven by the sculpture depicting royal activities, including hunts, processions, and military scenes. Each emphasize the fact that the Sun Temple is the realization of the dazzling dream of an ambitious and mighty king, secular to the core with an immense zest of life. The usage of condylite, chlorite, and chalcolite enabled intrinsic carving inside the temple. In the temple walls and in the architecture, we can see intrinsic carving. This had been enabled only because of the use of condylite and chlorite. The temple was invaded by Kala Pahad, the commander of Bengal, and his army. Due to that invasion, the temple had lost its Beulah or its entrance. So now what we can see is the remainings of that invasion. This can be the actual what to say. This can be the actual structure of the temple. Due to the invasion, the temple had worn out or it had ruined. Now also the use now also the condylite, as the temple used condylite and chloride, the temple is in a worse condition or in a ruined state. So dear friends, I think you all had got a better understanding regarding the Sun Temple at Konark. So see you soon with some other interesting facts in Indian history or art and culture. Dear friends, I am handling history in Kerala PSC examination. So to take subscription for Kerala's PSC examination, 12 months course is available and 24 months course is available. For 12 months, you have to pay 7,000 rupees, and for 24 months, you have to pay 8,400 rupees. But dear friends, when you are taking subscription, if you are using my promo code SIVAKC, Shiva KC, you can instantly get 10% discount, and by that you can avail 12 months course for 6,300 rupees and 24 months course for 7,560 rupees. So do subscribe and join Unacademy learning platform, and also subscribe for Kerala PSA. Do like, share, and subscribe our new YouTube channel. What, why, and how. Lot of more videos are awaiting you, so don't miss that. Also, press the bell icon, enable the bell icon, so you can get ready notification when new videos are uploaded. And also like our Kerala PSC channel, Let's Crack Kerala Exam. Uh, it is also available. I am handling history and constitution in that channel. I am also taking classes for UPSC CSC in vernacular language Malayalam at UPSC CSC vernacular. I am handling history and constitution also in that vernacular channel. So please do subscribe and join Unacademy. Subscribe What Why How channel. The link is available. Our Telegram channel link is available in the description, and also the playlist link is also available in the description. So please go and look the description and join the Telegram channel and like our video. Thank you very much. Signing off, KC Shivaraj from Unacademy.